Hi, I'm Mark from Team Dominator Canada, and here's an update on CloudRazor. CloudRazor is our severe weather research platform, and we've been testing it for the past few months. In 2019, we launched the first miniaturized SkyFall sensor into the Lawrence Linwood EF4 Tornado. The deployment was a success on the first try, and we instantly received the data as the probe traveled at 187 miles per hour to 39,000 feet. The following day, we posted the data and then followed it up with a paper which was published. However, it took 12 tornadoes until we found a long track that we could get into the right position on. Since then, we've also been launching balloons with the same sensors on tornadic and tornado-warned supercells and continuing the research. Both deployment methods work, but there are only a few opportunities a year due to road layouts and positioning. Rocket launchers also have the added risk of lightning strikes due to the ionization trail they create. Collecting the data is a slow process due to this. However, despite this, we have 12 good data sets. SkyFall is still the most miniaturized research-grade sensor available. They have been deployed to 70,000 feet and -94 Fahrenheit. Recovery rate is 85% for these sensors due to tracking, and we receive the data wirelessly. New for this season, our custom drone, CloudRazor, will be deploying our probe and SkyFall sensors on parachutes via servo release. Designed to be sub 250 grams, including the payload, it can fly at high altitude and over long distances in Canada with appropriate precautions. The drone frame is 3D printed in a specialist carbon fiber material, which gives us advantages over regular drones. The last few months we completed deployment flights to test the performance. Follow Team Dominator Canada and myself as we collect data. Thank you for watching.